Hello, we are at Beechwood Cemetery in Kendall, New York again. And it's getting late. It's almost 7 o'clock and we're just gonna see if we can get anything quick before it gets too dark. So enjoy. Let's see.
Oh, I'm spooked.
We're gonna do the dowsing rods first. This is exactly where we heard a child's voice or laugh the last time we were here.
Oh, I don't like seeing this.
See if we can even make contact or hear that again. Let's see if we can talk to the child who laughed.
Sorry.
Excuse you. Bless you. Looks like they cut the grass since we were here.
Girls can burp too.
You want to do those?
I want to find a place to do it.
Oh.
Near the big tree right there.
Okay.
That's probably the most massive one.
Some of the spirits that haunt the cemetery are of prostitutes that were...
We don't know that though.
Well, we think...
We know that they were dumped across the way.
Oh, there was prostitutes dumped in the area
Well, one
that were killed from Arthur Shawcross, the serial murderer.
Serial murderer.
Serial murderer.
Never heard that one.
Look at that big vine.
Let's Tarzan it right now.
Tarzan it. Swing. Oh!
You're gonna run into me, Ma. Jeez. Watch where you're going. Stop it.
Comes a car down the long, creepy road.
I thought there was something crawling on my leg.
It's creepy back here, especially in the dark.
Someone came and did the same thing we were doing. That'd be kind of cool.
If somebody else came here, I'd leave.
Why? You can make new
Because
friends,
it's creepy. I don't want to make friends in the cemetery at night.
What if they're doing the same thing as us and saying, oh my god, I'm
Let's
looking
just
for a
do
place
the
to do it.
dowsing rods. You said you wanted to do it by the tree. The tree is giant. Giant tree.
Thumbnail.
There's a lot of big trees. Giant tree. That's going in the video.
Or, like,
Clickbait.
massive tree falls down on my daughter. Sorry. I don't know what to ask. My heart's racing.
Did we hear a child laughing last time? That's what we need to ask. Or if you want to ask if there's anybody here first.
I want to sit on that tree. I feel weird. I feel like I can't stand. I don't know why.
What, do we need to bring chairs from now on? You always want to sit now.
I thought I heard something.
Want to sit now.
I thought I heard something. Oh man, I just hit myself with my rod.
Squeeze me? If anybody sees anything, let us know.
Nice necklace.
Thank you.
I don't
Anybody
know why
here
I'm
that wants
so
to
nervous.
communicate with us?
Oh my god. I don't know why I feel like this. I feel. I don't know.
I almost feel a heaviness in my chest, but I feel like
Me
it might
too.
just be
No, I'm
because I'm
serious. Me
anxious
too.
about being here.
My heart is racing. It
Well,
can't be
let's
from
try to
walking.
communicate and see.
I know, but Mom, hold on.
Let's just be quiet and listen. It's so quiet back here.
This cricket's out already. Oh, it's weird talking after listening to the silence.
Is there a child here that we heard laugh last time we were here?
Do you want me to?
Can we hear that again? We heard you giggle. We got you on film. Can you talk to us?
I heard I cannot. I don't know. It could be anything.
Or can you move that vine that's hanging from that tree?
That would be cool.
That would be cool.
Swing from the vine like Tarzan.
Alright, let's try the dowsing rods.
Okay. I just feel like we're being watched. Just
Well, if they're watching us, they'll talk to us maybe.
Is there anyone here that would like to communicate with us?
Cross for yes, apart for no. We thought we heard a small child laughing last time we were here. Was that you?
I can feel my heart beat, and like that never happens. It happened the first time, but
They're moving slowly, but I don't
what was that?
know. What the hell is that?
It sounded like someone scratching on like I don't know. Was it an animal? Or...
I don't know what that sound was.
I've never heard an animal like that.
I was scared to go this
Someone,
way.
like, scratching something?
I don't know. It made me think of.
It sounded like someone like running, and then I heard that other noise.
It made me think of a furnace in a house trying to kick on or something.
Why are we going towards the noise?
I don't know.
Mom, did you bring a pocket knife?
No.
You should have. Nothing. Only we can stab them with our rods.
Stab them in the eyes with our dowsing rods.
Behold, I'm gonna stab you with my rods. No, I don't want to be here anymore.
Was that a child?
Mom, stop! Don't say that.
Or was that a dog?
Mom, no, I'm gonna cry.
I think it was a
don't know
dog.
why I want to cry. Mom, can we please go back this way? Mom,
Just be quiet for a second, please. I think it's a dog, but I want to listen.
no, but it sounds like it's like right there.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. I feel like I have more panic attack. I don't.
That was freaky.
That sounded like a child.
It did sound like a child. Almost sounded like a child crying.
I know. At first it sounded like a baby, and then it sounded like a toddler.
I think this is like our freakiest cemetery
And
ever.
then it sounded like a child saying, "Hey," at the last.
I don't know.
It was like, or something. I don't know. That was scary though.
That was scary.
Oh my God. I was like looking over there, like
It's the
expecting to see
scariest
like a
cemetery
child
ever.
run
Here,
across.
did you want to come over here by this tree again?
I don't know, Mom. I need a minute. I just need a minute.
Should we turn the TV off? The TV. We're going to turn the TV off for a sec. Alright.
There's someone in that chapel.
We paused to take some pictures. But we're finding ourselves near where we heard that sound.
There's nothing in there.
Those scary sounds. We don't know what it was.
Flamingo.
Where are you going? I thought we were going back over.
I thought we were going this way.
Oh, I thought you wanted to go by that tree to do everything.
I have to do everything in that one spot.
Oh, I thought you did. I thought you wanted to. That's all. Out of breath. We're trying to run over there to get those pictures.
Seems like someone's been here since we last came here. Like the grass has been cut.
Yeah, I was thinking that too.
It was really long. It's buggy.
What?
Gotta fix something. You wanna go over by the edge? That's spooky.
I guess. That's creepy over here.
Right?
It's creepy. The edge of the woods.
I'm scared. Like I'm gonna get pushed.
Pushed?
I don't know.
I won't push you, I promise.
No, I'm not talking about.
I know you're not talking about me. Oh, it's not really an edge.
What?
I think this is all poison ivy, though. It is. This is all poison ivy.
Wow. It smells weird over here.
It does.
It smells like, I don't want to be
It
rude.
smells funky over here.
It smells like poop. You know something that's stuck in my head?
What?
The sugar.
Alright, let's do something before the sun gets down too much.
Nunnery. Is that a plane?
No,
It sounds like
I don't think that's a plane anyway.
that's a plane. The two bushes beside it.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Schwartz. Alright, we need to do something.
Who would like to communicate with your Russian Uber driver? Sorry, I'm trying to be funny.
Is there anyone who wants to communicate with us? Yes.
Oh my god.
Hold them up.
Oh.
That's a baby raccoon. Pretty sure.
It sounds like a child going.
Wait. Shh. Wonder
Is that a baby raccoon we're hearing?
because we hear those at our house. They said no. The dowsing rod said no. Ask if we're hearing the spirit.
I think that's a raccoon.
I'm pretty sure it's a raccoon.
Maybe I was just messing with
A
them.
baby raccoon. I think that's like a baby raccoon who lost its mom or something. We get them in our side yard a lot. When we hear that sound.
I feel heavy.
Me too. But it's hot. I feel really hot all of a sudden.
It's hot back here. It's weird.
Is that a baby raccoon we're hearing?
I need to.
Oh, it started to answer.
I need to be on. I felt
Okay.
like-
Put him up center. Come on, chicka. Let's go. Is that a baby raccoon we're hearing? It's very slow.
I'm shaking.
Yes? Are you the child we heard laughing last time?
Tom, like actually centered, okay?
Just hold him up and we'll just keep asking
Yeah,
questions.
It bothers me so much. Sorry, I'm just letting you know.
You ask.
I don't know, what were you saying?
Are you the child we heard laughing the last time we were here? You can go apart for no, or together for yes.
I already answered the question though.
Is the child here that we heard laughing?
I'm shaking so much.
Is there anybody here who even wants to communicate with us? Nope. Nothing.
It's weird. It did before though.
I don't know. I gotta get out of this area. It feels really hot over here. It didn't feel that hot over this way. There's that smell again. Can I do it where the smell is?
No. It smells like dog poop.
You want to sit on this tree again, like last time?
What?
You want to sit on this tree again? This is where we were when we heard the child laugh.
I'm spooked. Meet again. I should give this tree a name. Wilson.
There have been people seen, or people have seen spirits walking through here at night. So if anybody sees anything, let us
Seems like a
know.
little girl in a white dress floating
Little
around.
girl. Maybe it's the little girl we heard laughing.
The plane. I need to dance.
If there's a child here, we heard you laughing the last time we were here. Oh, there's a chipmunk. I don't know if I can zoom in or not.
Do you think chipmunks can get into caskets?
Where'd he go? He was right there. There he is. He's at the other side now.
Mom,
There he
did
is.
you hear me?
Yeah.
Answer.
I don't know if they can get in. I think I just had an orb go through.
No, but they can get like underground, obviously. So.
I think I just had an orb go through the picture.
Really?
I think so. I was zoomed in on the
I
chipmunk.
feel heavy. Oh my god, that tree has boobs. Look at the top.
What? Oh my god. The tree has boobs.
It does.
Let's see, which tree am I at? That one. A tree with boobs. Funny.
Oh my god. I'm like,
I'm really hot. Like, I didn't feel hot at all before, and now all of a sudden it's really hot. Alright, let's try this again, and then try the spirit box. If we don't get anything, we don't get anything.
alright. Is there anyone here that would like to communicate with us?
Yes?
There was a, sorry, I was paying attention to a bird up there.
That tree is so massive.
I feel heavy, I don't know why.
Are you the spirit we spoke to last time we were here? No? Did we hear a small...
I said hold on. I wasn't holding him up, so...
Then you
don't
ask.
get mad.
Did we hear a small child laugh? That little sound could have been a chipmunk.
No, it sounded
Okay.
like someone like tripped and fell in the woods. And that's what
Okay.
I heard.
Did we hear a small child laugh the last time we were here? Was that you? Yes? Is it a yes, it was you? Center him again.
It's weird when it like went to yes, it like stayed there, like it wasn't moving.
Are you the small child? Are you the child we heard laughing?
I keep hearing these little noises.
Can you center them? Oh, I was asking them to
Sorry,
center it.
I'm
It's
like-
okay. Can we hear you laugh again?
I thought it was like a little kid like saying, "Mommy."
This people's... Oh, that's a dog. Those are dogs barking.
That's not what we heard before, so I swear.
No, I know.
Weather statement.
Weather statement. Can we hear you laugh again? No? I wish we could. Are you really the small child?
Sorry, it sounded like there was someone
It's okay.
walking behind me. It scared me. I'm so skittish right now.
Are you really the small child we heard laughing?
Oh my god, that sounded like a person. Sorry. I keep feeling bugs crawling on me.
Can you give us a sign that you're here? A noise?
It sounds like there's someone like stomping through the woods. Didn't that sound like
It's so hard to tell. I mean, I hear noises in the woods, but I mean, it really could just be little critters. I don't hear anything
No, but it sounded
big.
like someone stomping.
I didn't hear anything like that.
I did. Sometimes other people can hear stuff that other people
Yep.
can't.
Can you make that flag over there move if you're here with us?
So that flag,
Yeah. Can you make that flag move?
blow on it. Or, you know, shimmy it around.
Give us a sign that you're here. I bet you can do it. We never got the K2 out.
Oh, look, Biggie was moving. Like, my eyes are playing so much
Yeah.
tricks on me right now.
There's a lot of flags around. It'd be funny if a different one moved. legs all around. That's not funny. Sarah whispered, "Mommy." Would you like to talk? Let's ask.
Hold on, my hands are really sweaty from holding this.
Why don't we just get the spirit box out?
Hold on. I wish I brought my bug spray. Ugh. What were you gonna ask?
I'm not even sure. Something just flew through the... Don't growl or it's gonna come out on the camera as something.
Sorry. I'm like...
Sarah growled.
That scared me. That made me jump.
I'd love to hear that child's laugh again.
I wouldn't.
Where is it coming from? That little chirp chirp.
Sounds like a squeaky bicycle. Maybe it's the chipmunk, huh? Don't walk away from me. Don't.
I'm just right here.
Seriously.
Sarah freaking out on camera.
I'm sorry.
Do you want to use the spirit box and talk to us with your voice through a speaker? There we go. Let's get the spirit box out. They want to talk.
Oh my god, okay, hold on.
They want to use their voice.
I just got the chills, man.
And it's getting darker and darker, so I'm not going to stay too much longer.
Imagine if we played music for this.
Now that it's getting late, too, it's like dark in the trees, so it freaks me out even more. I keep thinking I see things.
Then.
Even just around us, I keep thinking I see things. It's freaking me out, man.
Do you know what I just heard behind me?
What?
It sounded like someone like took their nail. And it sounded like this twice. But like without a plastic nail. Okay. I'm so shaky today. This is really loud. I'm gonna turn it down today.
How come we get so much stuff through ours?
I feel like I never hear anyone else like getting this much.
Me either. Is it backwards?
Yeah.
Have we tried it forwards?
Not in a long time.
Try it forwards. It's just weird. It seems like nothing but radio. It seems like nothing but radio coming through. That's forwards. Maybe try faster. Backwards, but faster.
I don't want to do it faster because it might not give them enough chances to talk. I don't know.
If they're going to come through, they're going to come through faster or not.
I don't know. I like the speed that we're at.
Okay. I'll go backwards again, I guess.
If there's anyone here with us, can you tell me your name?
Is there anyone here who can talk to us? Can you tell us what town we're in? Sounds like so much radio.
Oh my god.
There's poison ivy climbing the tree. Oh, maybe not.
Oh
That's
my
not poison
God.
ivy. What? Bug?
No.
Poison the ivy touch you?
No.
What?
Hold on.
What happened?
I turned around for my eyes were kind of closed and I opened them and then I closed them and I swear for a glimpse I don't know, Mom. It looked like there was someone in white right here and it scared me.
You sure it wasn't just that you're seeing that lighter color?
Mom, it wasn't. Trust me. It
Okay.
looked like.
Okay. Do you want to go?
Can we just go? Can we get on the front part? That really scared me.
Yeah. Do you want to ask first?
Oh my god. Did you hear that?
No, I didn't.
It sounded like
you were covering it.
It sounded like when I was talking about can we go to the front of the cemetery in the same voice? It went no, 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 repeatedly.
Repetitively?
Repe-
Repeatedly?
I don't know, man. I'm
Okay.
at loss for
I wish
words.
you would have asked about if that's what you saw.
I don't want to ask.
Just get the keys out and unlock the car. That's all you got to do is get the keys out.
I put them in here so
well, I didn't know you
they
did
wouldn't
that.
fall
Okay.
out.
I'm still recording.
That really not. I don't know what that was. It really scared me.
Sorry.
I've never seen anything like that. Oh, you just stepped on a frog.
Oh, it's still going. My camera's still recording.
Who cares?
Maybe we'll catch something.
That, like, I don't know, man. That, I'm speechless after that. Like, I can't even.
You're freaking out, man. Sarah saw something in white.
Like, it was, like, it made me do a double take. I'm like I saw it for, like, just a split second. And then I looked back and it wasn't even there anymore. You didn't see it? Were you looking at me when it happened?
I don't even know. Alright, we're gonna go up to the other part of the cemetery now. Alright, we moved up to the front part of the cemetery. This is the very front. Across the street there's farm fields. The sun comes in a little more, so it's a little bit brighter up here for now. Before we were way in the back. Whole different section to the right back there. So we're gonna sit and do the spirit box. Just a quick spirit box session. I can't breathe. I feel like I'm having a panic attack. I don't know if it's because it's getting dark or just the feeling of this place.
I don't feel like myself. I don't know why.
For those that don't know,
Come on.
Sarah and I are both afraid of the dark. Like, if you turn off all the lights on me and it's pitch black, I'm paralyzed. That's how afraid of the dark I am. And being in a cemetery in the dark.
Shh, don't talk about it, Mom.
Yikes. Never thought we'd be doing this ever in my whole life. What the heck? What?
That's happened before.
It has? I've never heard music come through like that when you turn it on.
I'm loving you.
That was so
Scared
weird.
me. I was like, I can't be looking behind
This
me.
place has a weird smell today.
I don't like that. The whole cemetery's behind. But you can see behind me, right?
I can see behind you.
Good.
Okay, we're not here to dance. We're here to talk.
So many dogs.
It's not very loud. Now turn it louder.
What?
I mostly worry about the camera being able to pick it up so I can hear it again later.
Keep looking behind me because I don't
I am.
I can't see behind me. Is there anyone here that would like to communicate with us? Can you tell me your name, please? Somebody said orb.
Home await.
Can you tell me my name?
Like what? Why? I like watching behind you. What if something pops up?
There's a lot of birds in here.
It just seems like radio. Is there anyone that can say hello? I'm watching behind you. I was wondering if I had the camera looking this way. What's the name of this cemetery? Can't hear with the car coming by.
It sounded like it said the first part of it.
Beach?
The beach.
I'm watching behind you, don't worry.
Huh?
I'm watching.
No, it's an uneasy feeling.
I'm sure it is. I'm right here?
What?
I thought it sounded like I'm right here.
I don't know. I zoned out. I don't know. Did you just say my name?
I have no idea. I'm hearing so much right now. We need a definite sign of what we're really getting. What'd that say?
It sounded like it said my name again. I don't like that it's saying my name.
Can you say my name? Can you say Alexis? Holy... I'm gonna cry. That
was clear.
What is your name?
Ron?
We didn't quite catch that. Colin?
I heard Ron before.
Paul? I'm hearing a lot of things. Can you say my name again? I thought I just heard it again.
I feel like I said Megan.
Do you like that we're here talking to you? I'm hearing so much. I don't know what.
I don't want to be hearing that. I want to leave. I'm seriously.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna say goodbye now.
It started.
Did that go off?
Yeah, the green. Like when I looked back, it like as soon as I looked at it, it like stopped.
Can you make our lights go off again? She saw you light it up. Can you do it again? No.
Mom, I want to go.
Okay, we're gonna say goodbye.
Bye.
I don't know how to turn off.
It just said off after you said off.
Okay, so we are going to end this. It's getting very dark, and it sounded very creepy when somebody said my name. So we are out.
Fuck
Peace.
this shit up.